How to uninstall Filto app from Android or iPhone. First of all, find the Filto app icon on your home screen or app drawer. On Android, tap and hold the app icon, then select uninstall or drag it to the uninstall option at the top of the screen. This process quickly removes the app and all its related files from your device. On iPhone, tap and hold the app icon until it starts to jiggle, then tap the X or the minus button to delete the app. You can also uninstall apps from the settings menu if you prefer managing your storage there. Confirm the uninstall when prompted to remove the app from your device. This will free up storage space and remove all the app data. If you want to reinstall Filto later, just visit the official app store or a trusted source. Now you know how to uninstall Filto app from your Android or iPhone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.